Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are studying Cambridge O Levels DMaths 4024. We are working on the syllabus, and in this, we are working on the exercise 6B from the book D2. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. This is the first video on this exercise 6B. This exercise is about algebraic fractions. Here we will learn the simplification of the linear expressions, and with the fractional coefficients, addition and the subtraction of the algebraic fractions. So let's start today's work. This is exercise 6B from the book D2. This is the first video on this exercise. Okay, so the exercise 6B is showing up on your screen from the book D2. The first question coming up on your screen. It says, the first question is express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So the first question number one is A part. 7 divided by 6a plus 4 divided by 9a. Okay, so very simple, straightforward. We will make the denominator same. So this is the exercise. And we will make the denominator same. So here we go. So you can see 7 by 6a plus 4 by 9a. I will try to make the denominator same. So I will multiply the first fraction, both the numerator and denominator, with the 3. So upstairs you will multiply, 3 will multiply with the 7. Downstairs 3 will multiply with the 6a. So it will become 18a. In the second fraction, I will multiply the numerator and denominator both with 2. So upstairs it will be 2 multiply 4, downstairs it will be 2 multiply 9a, so it will become 18a. Now both the fractions will have the same denominator, and that is 18a, so we can write them in a single fraction. So upstairs we will have 21 and plus 8 divided by 18a. So upstairs you will have 29a, downstairs you will have 18a. So this is how you will do the A part. The B part is, he says the B part is, so we have the B part here. It is 3 by 2b plus 1 by 3b minus 5 by 6b. So again, I will make the denominator same. So let me show you. So here we go. So this is that question number 1, and it's B part. And the first fraction, I will multiply with the 3 upstairs, downstairs. Numerator, denominator both will be multiplied with the 3. So upstairs it will become 9, downstairs it will become 6b. In the second fraction, I will multiply numerator and denominator both with the 2. So upstairs you will have 2 into 1, that will be 2, and downstairs you will have 2 multiplied 3b, it will become 6b. Then minus, and the third fraction don't need to be multiplied with anything because its denominator is already 6b, which is now all the denominators are same. So I can write a single fraction. So when I will write a single fraction, you will have 9 plus 2 minus 5 divided by 6b. So upstairs you will have 6, and downstairs you will have 6b. 6 and 6 will be cancelled. So you will have 1 by b. So this is how you will do the B part. Okay, C part is 1 divided by 3c minus 1 divided by 3d. So I will make the denominator same. The 3 is already same. So what we will do, I will multiply the first fraction, numerator, denominator, both with the d. And in the second fraction, I will multiply both numerator and denominator with the c. So upstairs, I will have d divided by 3 cd. And the second fraction, we will have upstairs c, downstairs you will have 3cd. So now I can write a single fraction, and the 3cd will be the denominator. Upstairs we will have d minus c. So this is how you will do the C part. Okay, the D part is f minus 4h divided by 3k minus 2f minus 5h, and the whole thing divided by 8k. So here you can make the denominators the same. In the first fraction, multiply with the 8, and in the second fraction, multiply with the you know you can multiply with the 3. In the first fraction, you can multiply with the 8. So upstairs, you will have 8 bracket f minus 4h bracket close. Downstairs, you will have 8 multiply 3k. This will become 24k. In the second fraction, upstairs, downstairs, you will multiply numerator, denominator, both will be multiplied with the 3. So you will have minus 3 multiplied with the 2f minus 5h bracket close. And so downstairs you will have 24k, so that you can write this whole thing and in a single fraction, and you will downstairs write 24k. So upstairs you will have 8 bracket f minus 4h bracket close minus 3 bracket 2f minus 5h bracket close. So when you will open this bracket, so you will have 8 multiply f, that will be 8f. When 8 will multiply with the minus 4h, you will get minus 32h. When minus 3 will multiply with the 2f, you will have minus 6f. When minus 3 will multiply with the minus 5h, you will get plus 15h. So f and f will be added, subtracted, h and h will be added, subtracted with each other. So 8f minus 6f, you will have 2f minus 32h plus 15h. It will be minus 17h. The whole thing divided by 24. Okay, so this is the answer. So let me reduce the size. So you can see the whole question together, and on your screen, I hope you can see this. The whole of the question is showing up on your screen, and this is how you will do this question. This is question number 1, is D part. Okay, question number 1 and its E part is, and here we go. Question number 1 is E part. It says 11 divided by 3h minus 7 plus 2 divided by 6 minus 5h. Okay, so these are totally different and they cannot be made same. We're talking about the denominators. This is 3h minus 7 and this is 6 minus 5h. So they both will be in the LCM or in the denominator. So this is question number 1, and it's sorry, I think I look at some wrong question. Oh, sorry, I went to question number 2. Sorry. Okay, so we were on the question number, I read this wrong question. So question number 2 is, question number 1 is E part. It is 4a divided by x minus 3y, and you will have 3a divided by 3x minus 9y. So what we will do, we will take common, and you see 4a divided by x minus 3y, and this is good. Okay, from the second fraction, 3a divided by, from the denominator you can take 3 common, so you will take the 3 common, and then we have bracket and x minus 3y bracket close. This 3 and this 3 will be gone. So here you will have 4a by x minus 3y, and here you will have a divided by x minus 3y. Now both the denominators are same, so you can write a single fraction here. So here you will have 4a plus a divided by x minus 3y. So 4a plus a will be 5a and divided by x minus 3y. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size and show you the whole question. So my dear students, the whole question is coming up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So question number 1, and this F part. You will have p plus 3. Okay, p plus 3 divided by 2z plus p minus 1 divided by 6z minus 2p plus 1 divided by 3z. So we can make the denominators same. In the first fraction, multiply upstairs, downstairs with the 3. In the second fraction, you don't have to multiply with anything. And in the last fraction, third fraction, you have to multiply upstairs, downstairs, numerator and denominator both with the 2. And the denominator will become same. Okay. Now, okay. So what we will do, we will multiply in the first fraction with the 3 in the numerator and denominator both. So you will have 3 bracket p plus 3, and downstairs you will have 3 multiplied 2z. In this fraction, you don't have to multiply with anything. This is already 6z. In this fraction, the last one, you multiply numerator denominator both with the 2. So downstairs you will have 6z. So now you will have upstairs, you will have 3 bracket p plus 3 bracket close plus p minus 1 bracket close minus 2 bracket p 2p plus 1 bracket close. So here you will have 3p plus 9 plus p minus 1 minus 4p minus 2. Downstairs you will have 6z, and you know 3p minus 4p and plus p, they all are cancelled. Okay, 9 minus 1, it will be 8, 8 minus 2, it will be 6. So you are left with the 6 divided by 6z. This 6 and 6 will be gone. So you are left with the 1 by z. So this is how you will do this question. So my dear students, the question number 1, its F part is showing up on your screen. Okay, so the question number 1, question number 2, the first part is showing up. Express each of the following as a fraction in its lowest and simplest form. You have 5 by a plus 3 divided by a plus 4. So these two denominators, I can take both of them in the as in the LCM. So if you want to make the denominators same, so so this 5 will multiply with this bracket 5a plus 4 and a multiply with a plus 4. And in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, I will multiply with the a. So upstairs you will have 3 multiply with the a, and downstairs you will have a plus 4 into a. Okay, so now the denominator is same, so I can write a single fraction here. I write that denominator a bracket a plus 4. Upstairs here I will have 5 into in the bracket you have a plus 4, then you have plus 3a. So you will have 5a plus 20 plus 3a divided by a bracket a plus 4 bracket close. So upstairs you will have 5a plus 3a, that will be 8a, and plus 20 divided by a bracket a plus 4. So this is the answer. If even you take something common like 4 can be common, but this you will not be able to simplify it further. So this is how you will do the question number 5, and it's the question number 2, and it's A part. So the whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time. Okay, now we are going to the question number 2. It's B part. It says 1 by 2b minus 3 by b plus c. So in this fraction, I will multiply upstairs, downstairs with the b plus c. In this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, I will multiply with the 2b. And then you will make the denominator same, so then it will become very easy. So here you can see I have multiplied upstairs downstairs with this b plus c, and in this fraction I have multiplied upstairs downstairs both with the 2b. You can see here. So I can write a single fraction here. So 2b bracket b plus c will be in the denominator, and here you will have 1 into b plus c, and here you will have minus 3 into 2b. So this will be b plus c minus 6b divided by 2b bracket b plus c. So here you will have c minus 5b divided by, and in the denominator you have 2b bracket b plus c. So this is, my dear students, how we will do the question number 1, and it's question number 2, and it's B part. Okay, so we are going to the question number 2C part. He says d divided by d minus 5 plus 2 divided by 2d plus 3. Both these numerators are totally different expressions. So both of them will be in the LCM. So in this fraction, I multiply upstairs, downstairs with the 2d plus 3. And in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the d minus 5. Then you can write a single fraction. So here you can see I am going to do this question. Okay. So here upstairs and downstairs multiply with the 2d plus 3. You can see I have done that. And in this fraction, multiply upstairs and downstairs with the bracket d minus 5, d minus 5 upstairs, d minus 5 downstairs. So now you can see this denominator is same, so I can write a single fraction. So that single fraction will be bracket d minus 5 bracket close bracket start 2d plus 3 bracket close. So here upstairs you will have 4 bracket 2d plus 3. Here you will have plus 2 bracket d minus 5 bracket close. So you will have 8d plus 12 plus 2d minus 10 divided by d minus 5 into 2d plus 3. So this will become 10d plus 2, and downstairs you had d minus 5 and 2d plus 3. Even if you take 2 common from here, you will not be able to further simplify it. So this is it, and this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So this is question number 2C part. The whole question is showing up on your screen, so you can pause the video. You can take time with this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 2. It's D part. Here you have 2 divided by f plus 5 minus 3 divided by f minus 1. So both of these denominators, these expressions, they are totally different from each other. So both of them will be in the LCM. So the first fraction here, multiply upstairs, downstairs with the bracket f minus 1. In the second bracket fraction, multiply upstairs, downstairs with the f plus 5. So let me show you. So here upstairs and downstairs in the numerator and denominator both, they are multiplied with the f minus 5. Sorry, f minus 1 upstairs, f minus 1 downstairs. In this second fraction, I will multiply upstairs and downstairs with the f plus 5 and downstairs f plus 5. Numerator denominator both are multiplied with the f plus 5. Now you can see their denominator is same, so you can write a single fraction. In the single fraction, you will have f plus 5 and f minus 1 in downstairs. And upstairs, you have 2 bracket f minus 1 bracket close minus 3 bracket f plus 5 bracket close. So you will have 2f minus 2 minus 3f minus 15 divided by, and you have those two brackets. And then I will have minus f minus 17 divided by f plus 5 and divided by f minus 1. So this is how you will simplify it. So let me reduce the size a little bit so you can see the whole question. So the whole question, 2D part is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video, take your time. Okay, question number 2 and its E part, we have 11 divided by 3h minus 7 plus 2 divided by 6 minus 5h. Both the denominators, they are different from each other. So what we will do, we will multiply in this fraction, and numerator denominator both will be multiplied with the 6 minus 5h. And in the second fraction, both the numerator denominator, they will multiply with the 3h minus 7. So the shape will be something like this. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so okay, so here upstairs, downstairs multiply with the 6 minus 5h. And in this fraction, upstairs and downstairs multiply with the 3h minus 7. So because the denominators are same now, so I can write a single fraction, and in the single fraction downstairs, I will write 3h minus 7 in one bracket and 6 minus 5h in the other bracket. So upstairs here, this 11 will multiply with the 6 minus 5h, and here the 2 will multiply with the 3h minus 7. So you will have 66 minus 55h plus 6h minus 14 and divided by the 3h minus 7 in one bracket. In the other bracket, we will have 6 minus 5h. So 66 minus 14, that will be 52 minus 55h plus 6h will be minus 49h. And in the denominator, you have in one bracket 3h minus 7, and in the other bracket, you have 6 minus 5h. So the whole question number 6E, question number 2E part is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video, take your time with this question. Okay, so question number 2 and its F part, it says 3 divided by k square minus 1 plus 2 divided by k minus 1. Okay, so here, this can be factorized, the first one. And let me increase the size so you can understand it. Okay, so here 3 divided by k square minus 1, the k square means the k square minus 1 square. So if you have a negative between two perfect square, this can be written as k plus 1, k minus 1, and the plus 2 divided by k minus 1. So both these denominators are same, and this one is not present here. The k plus 1 is not here. So I will multiply upstairs, downstairs with the k plus 1 and k plus 1 downstairs. So here the denominators now are now same. So I will k plus 1 into k minus 1. Upstairs, you will have 3 plus 2 into k plus 1. So it will be 3 plus 2k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 divided by k minus 1. So you will have 2k plus 5 and divided by k plus 1, k minus 1. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size so you can. I hope you understand this question. That was the question number 2 and F part. Question number 2 and its G part. Again, the same kind of questions. And here we go. So it says 3 divided by 4m square minus 1 minus 5 divided by 2m plus 1. So you will have this 4m square minus 1. 4m square is a perfect square and 1 is also a perfect square. So we can write them in their squares and then we can solve it. So here we go, question number 2 and its H part. 3 divided by 4m square minus 1 minus 2, 5 divided by 2m plus 1. So this can be written as 2m whole square minus 1 square. So negative between two perfect squares. So this will be 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1. And 3 divided by minus 5 divided by 2m plus 1. So I will take the LCM. The LCM will be 2m plus 1 in one bracket and 2m minus 1 in the other bracket. So 3 minus 5 can be written as. So here you have tried to make the denominator same. So in this fraction, I have multiplied the numerator denominator both with the 2m minus 1. So what will happen now? The LCM, the denominators are same in both the fractions. So we can write a single fraction 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1. So 3 minus 5 bracket 2m minus 1. So you will have 3 minus 10m plus 5 divided by 2m plus 1, 2m minus 1. So this will be 8 minus 10m divided by 2m plus 1 divided by 2m minus 1. So this is how you will do this question, a little tricky question. Let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So my dear students, question number 2 and its G part is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video, you can take your time with this question. Now the question number 2 and its H part, it is 2 divided by n minus 1 plus 3 divided by n minus 2 whole square. So this is n minus 2 whole square, and this is n minus 2, and this is n minus 2 whole square. So in this first fraction, multiply numerator denominator both with the n minus, multiply n the numerator denominator both with the n minus 2 bracket. So you can see I've done this here. So now the denominator is same. This is n minus 2 into n minus 2. So here you will have 2 upstairs. You will have 2 bracket n minus 2 bracket close plus 3. So you will have 2n minus 4 plus 3. So you will have 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 into n minus 2. So it will be n minus 1 whole square divided by n minus 2 whole square. So this is how you will do the question number question number 2 and its H part. The whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time. So that was the question number 2 and its H part. Now we are going to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 3 and its A part. So we are starting from the question number 3, and in the question number 3 you have 5 divided by, in the denominator you have 2 bracket a minus b bracket close, and then you have the second fraction plus 4 divided by, in the denominator you have 3 divided by b minus 1, b minus a bracket close. So you can see here we have two denominators. Both the denominators have one thing in common. In one bracket I have a minus b, in the other bracket I have b minus a. So if I take a negative common from here and put it here, and this will become a minus b. Then here upstairs you multiply with the 3, and downstairs you multiply with the 3. Here you multiply with the 2, and here you multiply with the 2. So this will become 6a minus b, and this will also become 6a minus b. In the bracket, a minus b will be. So let me show you how this is done. So this is coming up on your screen. So what I will do, I will take a negative common. So I have taken negative common. So this will become a minus b here. Upstairs, downstairs, I multiply with the 3. And here, I will multiply upstairs and downstairs with the 2. So upstairs you will have 15. Here upstairs you will have 8. And downstairs you will have 6 bracket a minus b bracket close. Here again you will have 6 bracket a minus b bracket close. So that denominator will be same. So now you can take that common. You can write a single fraction here. The denominator will be 6 bracket a minus b bracket close. Upstairs I will have 15 minus 8, and that will be 7 divided by, in the denominator you will have 6 bracket a minus b bracket close. So this is how you will do this question. So let me show you the whole question together. So this is how you will do this whole question, and the whole question is coming up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take time with this question. Now question number B, and it's question number 3, it's B part. Upstairs you will have C minus, upstairs we have C minus A1, and downstairs I have 3C minus 7. Here you have 14 minus 6C. So if I take minus 2 common, if I take minus 2 common, this will become plus, this will also become 3C minus 7. So let me show you how this is done. And here we go. So I will take so I will take a negative out and 2 common from this second bracket. So this will become, they will change 3C minus 7. Now this is 3C minus 7. This is 3C minus 7, but it also has a 2 with it. So in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 2. So here upstairs you have 2 bracket C minus 1. Downstairs you have 2 bracket 3C minus 7 bracket close. Now these denominators are same, so I can write a single fraction. And in that single fraction, I will have 2 bracket 3C minus 7 bracket close in the denominator. In the numerator, I have 2 bracket C minus 1 bracket close plus 1. So it will be, you can see 3C minus 2 plus 1. And in the denominator, you have 2 bracket 3C minus 7 bracket close equals 2. So upstairs, you will have 2C minus 1 divided by 2 bracket 3C minus 7 bracket close. So this is this is how you will do this question. So the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So we will go for the C part. Question number 3, it's C part. You will have 4F divided by you will have 4F divided by 10F minus 5D plus 2D divided by 6F minus 3D. So from here, I can take the 5 common, and in the bracket, you are left with 2F minus D. Here, I can take the 3 common, and in the bracket, you will be left with the 2F minus D. And then I can multiply here upstairs, downstairs with the 2, and here upstairs, downstairs, I can multiply with the 5, and the denominators will become same. So let me show you. Here we go. Uh, so here we go. Here I have taken the 5 common from the denominator. So in the bracket, you will have 2f minus d bracket close plus. From here, the denominator from the denominators, I will take the 3 common. So in the I will have 3 bracket 2f minus d. That this bracket is same in the denominator, only the difference of 5 and 3. So in this first fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 3. And in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 5. So you will have 15 bracket 2f minus d. And here also you will have 15 bracket 2f minus d. So you can write a single fraction, and you can write downstairs in the denominator, you can write 15 bracket 2f minus d. Upstairs from here you will have 12f plus, and from here you will have 10d. So this is how you will do this question. The whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time. This is how you do question number 3. It's C part. Question number 3 is D part. You will have u plus 1 divided by 2u minus 8 minus u plus 2 divided by 12 minus 3u. So from here, I will take the 2 common. So bracket 2 bracket u minus 4. From here, I will take minus 3 common. So when you will take the minus 3 common, this will become plus. Downstairs, you will have 3 bracket, and it will be also u minus 4. And then I will try to make the denominator same, and let me show you how this is done. Okay, so you can see here this is u plus 1 divided by, I have taken the 2 common from here, so 2 bracket u minus 4. From here I will take the 3 common, so u plus 2 divided by 3 bracket 4 minus u. These two brackets have a little difference of the sign, so I will take the negative out, so this will become u plus 1 divided by 2 bracket u minus 4. From here I will take a negative common, so this will become plus sign u plus 2 divided by 3 bracket u minus 4. Now, in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 3. And in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 2. So downstairs here, you will have 6 bracket u minus 4 bracket close. Here you also will have 6 bracket u minus 4 bracket close. So I can write a single fraction. You can see I've written here 6 bracket u minus 4 bracket close. Here upstairs, you will have 3u plus 3. And here you will have 2u plus 4. So you will have 5u plus 7 upstairs, and downstairs it will be 6 bracket u minus 4. So this is how you will do this question. The whole question is showing up on your. So the whole question is showing up. So the whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so now we are going to the next question. That is question number 3, and it's F part, E part, sorry, 2m minus 5 divided by 9n minus 3. From here, I can take the 3 common, and here you have m plus 3. And from this denominator, which is 4 minus 6n, I will take negative 2 common. So you will have the same denominators. There will be a difference of number, but we will, by multiplication, by multiplying numerator and denominator, we will make them same. So let me increase the size so you can see the larger view. Okay, so here 2m minus 5 upstairs. In downstairs, I will take the 3 common. So you will have 3 bracket 3n minus 2 bracket close plus. Here you have m plus 3. And because I have taken a negative out, so it will become positive. This negative will become positive. I have taken 2 common, so you will, in the bracket, you will have 3n minus 2 bracket close. Now you can see here we have 3, here we have 2. So in this fraction, multiply numerator denominator with both with the 2. And in this fraction, multiply numerator and denominator both with the 3. So you will have here 6 bracket 3n minus 2 bracket close. Here you also have 6 bracket 3n minus 2 bracket close. So you can write a single fraction, and that will be 6 in the numerator. In the denominator, you will have 6 bracket 3n minus 2 bracket close. And from in the upstairs, you will have 4m minus 10 plus. In here, in the numerator, you will have 3n plus 9. So 4m plus 3m, it will be 7m, minus 10 plus 9, it will be minus 1. And downstairs you have 6 bracket 3n minus 2 and bracket close. So this is how you will do the question number 3 and its E part. You can pause the video and you can take your time. And this is how you will do this question. So that was question number 3, it's E part. The next question is question number 3, it's F part. You have H plus K divided by P minus Q plus 3H plus K divided by 8Q minus 8P. Okay. So and this is H plus K divided by P minus Q plus 3H plus K divided by 8Q minus 8P. From here, I will take the 8 common in from this denominator. So I will have bracket P Q minus P bracket close 3H plus K. So, but still they are different from each other. So I will take a negative out. So this positive will become negative. So here you will have 3h plus k, and downstairs you will have 8 bracket p minus q. Now this p minus q is same in the denominator. To make the denominators exactly same, you have to multiply here in this first fraction upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 8. So here you have 8 bracket h plus k bracket close. Downstairs you have 8 bracket p minus q bracket close minus 3h plus k by 8 bracket p minus q. Now these denominators are same. So I can write a single fraction and this denominator will come under this single fraction. 8 bracket and you will have p minus q. This is 8 multiplied with the h, 8h plus 8k, and this negative will change the signs. So it will minus 3h minus k divided by the 8 bracket p minus q bracket close. So here you will have 8h minus 3h, that will be 5h, 8k minus k, that will be plus 7k, divided by 8 bracket p minus q. So this is how you will do this question. So the whole question is coming up on your screen. So the whole question is showing up on your screen. What you can do, you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, now we are going to the G part. It is 5x squared divided by 6 bracket 6x minus 6y minus 2x squared divided by 3y minus 3x. So from here, I can take the 6 common. From these two, I will take the minus 3 common, and then I will try to make the denominator exactly same. So here is the strategy. Okay. So you can see this is 5x squared divided by 6x minus 6y. So from this denominator, take the 6 common. So you have 5x squared divided by 6 bracket x minus y bracket close. From this denominator, take minus 3 common. So this minus will become positive. So you will have 2x squared divided by 3 bracket x minus y bracket close. Now here you have the 6 and here you have 3. So in this second fraction, multiply numerator and denominator both with the 2. So upstairs 2 is multiplied, downstairs also the 2 is multiplied. So now because these two denominators, they are exactly the same, so I can write these two fraction in a single fraction. And in the denominator, I will have 6 bracket x minus y bracket close. Upstairs, I will have 5x square plus this will become 4x square. So we will have so we will have 5x square plus 4x square divided by 6 bracket x minus y bracket close. So 5x square plus 4x square, and that will be 9x square divided by 6 bracket x minus y bracket close. This 9 and 6 can be cancelled with the table of 3. So you will have 3x square divided by 2 bracket x minus y bracket close. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size. Now the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. This is question number 3G part. Okay, so we are going to the next part. That is the question number 3, and it's H part. It says 3x divided by 4y minus 2z. From here, the 2 can be taken common, and Then you have minus 2x divided by b minus 2y from here minus 1 can be taken common. And then you have plus 5 divided by 3z minus 6y. From here, the minus 2 can be taken common. And then I will try to make the denominators exactly the same. Okay, so so here we go. You will have from these two, take 2 common. So in the denominator, you have 2 bracket 2y minus z. From these two, I can take the negative common. So this negative will become positive. So here you will have 2x. And in the denominator, you will have 2 minus z minus. From here, I have taken the negative 3 common. So this positive will become negative. So 5 by 3 bracket, because you have taken negative and 3 common, minus 3 common. So their order will change. So you will have 2y minus z bracket close. Now the 2y minus z bracket is same in all the three denominators. Here you have 2, here you have 3, okay. So here in the first fraction, multiply upstairs and downstairs with the 3. And here multiply upstairs, downstairs with the 6. And in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the 2. So here you will have 9x divided by 6 bracket 2y minus z bracket close plus 12x divided by 6 bracket 2y minus z bracket close minus upstairs you will have 10, downstairs you will have 6 bracket 2y minus z bracket close. Now the denominators are exactly same, so I can write a single fraction and that denominator will come here. So you will have in the denominator 6 bracket 2y minus z bracket close. Upstairs you will have 9x plus 12y minus 10. So it will be 21x minus 10 divided by 6 bracket 2y minus z. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size. So now the question number 3 and its H part, the whole question is showing up on your screen. So you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So here we go. We have the question number 4. So express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So you have 3a divided by, in the denominator, you have 3a minus 5 plus 4a divided by 4a minus 1. So these two denominators, they are exactly, means they have nothing in common. So they both can be used to make the denominator same. So let me show you how this is done. Very simple, straightforward thing. Okay, the trick is simple. So you can see what we have done here. I multiplied this fraction, numerator, denominator, both with the bracket 4a minus 1 bracket close. And this second fraction here, I multiplied the numerator, denominator, both with the bracket start 3a minus 5 bracket close. So, and downstairs, you can see now the denominator is exactly the same in both of them. So I can write a single fraction and this denominator will be in the denominator here. So 5a minus 5, sorry, 3a minus 5 bracket close. And in the other bracket, I have 4a minus 1. So this will be the LCM. Here, when this 3a will multiply with this bracket, you will have 12a square minus 3a. And when this 4a will multiply with this bracket, you will have 12a square minus 20a. So 12a square plus 12a square, it will be 24, and it will be 24 a square minus 23a divided by 3a minus 5 in one bracket divided by 4a minus 1 in the other bracket. So from the top, I can take the a common, but it will do no good because nothing can be further cancelled. So even here, the answer is good, or you can write it like this. So the question number 4. The whole question 4a part is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Question number 4, it's B part. It says 5 divided by 2b plus 1 minus 2b divided by 2b plus 1 whole square. So these two denominators, This is 2b plus 1, this is 2b plus 1 whole square. So if I multiply this fraction with the 2b plus 1, the denominators will become same. Okay, so we will do that. Okay, so here I multiply this fraction upstairs, downstairs, numerator, denominator, both are multiplied with the bracket 2b plus 1. So upstairs I will have 2b plus 1 multiplied with the 5. And downstairs you have 2b plus 1, 2b plus 1 in two brackets. So this will become 2b plus 1 whole square. Okay. So now I can write a single, because denominators are now same. So I can write a single fraction, 2b plus 1 whole square. And upstairs it will become 10b plus 5 minus 2b. So it will become 10b minus 2b. It will be 8b plus 5 divided by 2b plus 1 whole square. So this is how you will do this question. This is question number 4, and it's B part. Okay, question number 4, it's C part. You have h plus 5 divided by h square minus 6h minus 3 divided by h minus 6. So if I take h common from here, then you will have h minus 6 bracket here. And that same bracket is also here. Then I will be able to make the denominator same. So here you can see I will take h common from here, from this denominator. So upstairs you have h plus 5. Downstairs we will have h bracket h minus 6 bracket close minus 3 and minus 3 and divided by h minus 6. So here is h, here we don't have h. So multiply this second fraction upstairs, downstairs with the h. So once you do that, here the denominators will become same. So I can write a single fraction. And here you can see I have written a single fraction in the denominator. This will come, that is h bracket h minus 6. Here upstairs you will have h plus 5 minus, here you will have 3h. So you will have h plus 5 minus 3h divided by h bracket h minus 6 bracket close. So that will be equals to 5 minus 2h divided by an h bracket h minus 6 bracket close. So this is how you will do this part. And let me show you the whole question. So my dear student, this is how you will do this question. And I hope you understand this question. Okay, so the question number 4 and its D part, it says 1 by m plus 2 by m minus 4 plus 3 by m minus 3. So all these three denominators, they are different from each other. So this fraction in the numerator, denominator, both will be multiplied with the m minus 4 and m minus 3. Here you will multiply numerator, denominator both with the m and with the m minus 3. And in this third fraction, both numerator, denominator, they will be multiplied with the m and the m minus 4. So let me show you. I have done this. Okay. Okay, so here I have multiplied with the m minus 4, m minus 3 brackets upstairs, downstairs. In this, I have multiplied upstairs, downstairs, both with the m into m minus 3. You can see that. And here I have multiplied with the m bracket m minus 4. Now you can see the denominator is exactly the same, m bracket m minus 4, m minus 3. All of them have the same denominator. Here upstairs you will have m bracket, when you multiply them, m bracket m minus 3 bracket minus 4 bracket m minus 3 bracket. And here you will have 2m square minus 6m in the denominator, in the numerator. Here you will have 3m square minus 12m. So when you write a single fraction, you will have m square minus 3m minus 4m plus 12 plus 2m square minus 6m plus 3m square minus 12m. That will be in the numerator and the denominator. Now you will have m square plus 2m square plus 3m square. That will be 6m square minus 3m minus 4m minus 6m minus 12m. You will be left with minus 25m. And then you have plus 12, and that will remain plus 12. So your final answer will be 6m square minus 25m plus 12. and divided by, in the numerator, in the denominator, you will have m bracket m minus 4 bracket m minus 3 bracket close. So this is how you will do the question number 4, and it's D part. The whole question number 4 is D part is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so we have question number 4 and its E part. It is x plus y divided by x minus y plus. This is x square minus 4y square divided by x square minus y square minus x minus 3y divided by x plus y. This, this x square minus y square, that can be written as x plus 1 and x minus 1. So I will do that, and then I will be able to convert it into a single fraction. So this will remain as it is, x plus y divided by x minus y. This is x square minus 4y square. So this is x square minus 4y square. But here these are two perfect square, and you have negative between them in the denominator I'm talking. And so I can write it as x plus y into x minus y minus this x minus 3y divided by x plus y. So in this fraction, upstairs, downstairs, multiply with the x minus x plus y. And in this fraction, you don't have to do anything. And in this fraction, you have to multiply upstairs and downstairs with the x minus y. So now you will see their denominators are exactly same. So I can write a single fraction and they have the same denominator. So it will be x plus y in one bracket and x minus y in the other bracket. So when you multiply these two brackets, you will have x bracket x plus y bracket close plus y bracket x plus y bracket close. Here you will have x square minus 4y square. Then you have a negative sign, so that's why I put a bracket here. So multiply these two brackets with each other. So you will have x square plus xy plus xy plus y square plus x square minus 4y square minus, put a square bracket here, and this x will multiply with this bracket. So you will have x bracket x minus y bracket close minus 3y will multiply with x minus y bracket close, square bracket close. So you are left with the 2x square plus 2xy minus 3y square minus, due to this negative, I put a bracket here. So you will have x square minus xy minus 3xy plus 3y square. So you will have 2x square plus 2xy minus 3y square minus, in the bracket you will have x square minus 4xy plus 3y square, square bracket close. Now you can see you will have 2x square plus 2xy minus 3y square minus x square, and it will become plus 4xy minus 3y square. So 2x square minus x square, it will be x square. 2xy plus 4xy, it will be plus 6xy. And minus 3y square minus 3y square, it will be minus 6y square. So this is how you will do this question. So this is the last part of this question, and this is the first part of this. So this is the whole question showing up on your screen, and this is this 4E part. F part is 1 divided by 2z minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2z plus 18 divided by 9 minus 4z. So very simple. I can factorize this denominator, and then I will try to make the denominator same. Okay, so this is the strategy of doing this question. So first of all, okay, so what we will do, 1 divided by 2z minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2z. So from here, take a 2, I can take a negative common. So this will become plus. So here you will have plus 1 by 2z minus 3 plus 2 divided by 2z minus 3. So they are same. So plus 18 divided by, this is 3 square, this is 2z whole square. So this will become, their denominator is same. Okay, here you have 18 divided by, this is 3 square minus 2z whole square. So 2 perfect square, you have negative between them. So this can be written as 3 plus 2z and this can be written as 3 minus 2z. So here I will multiply with the okay. So here uh, I will take a negative out from here. I will take a negative out here. So this will become 2z minus 3. Okay. So now here I will multiply upstairs, downstairs with the 2z plus 3. Here I will multiply with the 2z minus 2z plus 3, 2z plus 3. And here you don't have to multiply with anything. Now you can see the denominators are exactly same, so I can write a single fraction here. So this will be 2z plus 3. Here you will have 4z plus 6 minus 18. And this will become 6z and minus 9 divided by 2z plus 3, 2z minus 3. So I can take the 3 common here. So you will have 2z minus 3. So this 2z minus 3, 2z minus 3 will be cancelled. So you're left with the 3 by 2z plus 3. So a little heavy question. So let me show you the whole. So now the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. So this was the question number 4. It's F part. We are done with that. So we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 5, and it says 2 divided by a plus 3 plus 3 divided by. Here, this is in this denominator, you have a square plus 4a plus 3. So this can be factorized, okay? So I will factorize it and then I will make the denominators same, okay? So you should have full control over the factorization concept. So my dear students, here we go. So this is 2 divided by a plus 3. This is 3 divided by, I have done the midterm breaking here. So multiply the extreme term, you get 3. So write the pairs of the 3. There will be 1 and 3. I want, by addition, I want a pair which by addition will give you 4. So that pair will be 3a and a, 3 and 1. So here you can see I have written a square plus 3a plus a plus 3. So this will be 2 by a plus 3 divided by, from these two terms, I can take a common. So in the bracket, you will have a plus 3. From these two terms, I can take plus 1 common. So you in the other bracket, you will have a plus 3. Now I can, this will remain as it is, 2 divided by a plus 3 as it is. From here, I can take a plus 3 common. From here, I will have a, and from here, I will have plus 1. So now you can see in this denominator, you have a plus 3 and a plus 1. Here you have only a plus 3. So multiply upstairs, downstairs with the a plus 1. So because the denominators will become same, so I can write the LCM, that will be a plus 3 bracket and bracket a plus 1 bracket close. So upstairs I will have 2 bracket a plus 1 bracket close plus 3 into 1. So you will have 2a plus 2 plus 3 divided by a plus 3 in one bracket, and in the other bracket I have a plus 1. So upstairs you will have 2a plus 5 divided by a plus 3 and divided by a plus 1 in the other bracket, okay? So this is how you will do this question. The whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time. Okay, so question number 5, it's B part. Here we have 1 divided by b square minus 5b minus 6 minus b divided by b minus 5, b minus 6, sorry. So this denominator can be factorized. You can do the midterm breaking, write the pairs of the 6, and they are 1 into 6 and 3 into 2, and we want that pair which by subtraction will give you 5. So that pair will be 6 and 1. So the big number will be given negative sign, the smaller number will be given a positive sign. So here we go. So here we will have 1 divided by b square minus 6b plus 1b minus 6 minus, this will remain as it is, b divided by b minus 6. And here you will have from the first two terms b common. So in the bracket I will have b minus 6 plus, from here I have 1 common. So in the bracket we will have b minus 6. So here you have b minus 6. And now you can see this b minus 6 is common. So from here you will have b, from here you have plus 1 and minus b divided by b minus 6. So I can take the LCM. In the LCM, both of these will come. So here you will have 1, and when you divide this LCM with this, b minus 6, b minus 6 cancelled. So this b plus 1 will multiply with this b. So 1 minus b bracket b plus 1. So it will be 1 minus b square minus b. And downstairs I have b minus 6 and b minus b plus 1 in the other bracket. So that's it. This is the answer of the. So the whole question number 5, its B part is showing up on your screen. So you can take your time. Okay. So the whole question is showing up on your screen. Okay, question number 5, its C part, it is 1 divided by 2p square minus 8p minus 10. So I can take first of all the 2 common, or you multiply the extreme terms. You will get 20. You write the pairs of the 20 and factors of the 20. They will be 1 into 20, 2 into 10, and 4 into 5. So I have choose that pair which by subtraction will give me minus 8. That pair will be minus 10 and plus 2. Let me show you. So here you can see I have done the midterm breaking of this this denominator. This will be 2p square minus 10p plus 2p minus 10, and rest of the things are same. So now from the first two terms, 2p is common. So in the bracket, you will have p minus 5. From the last two terms, plus 2 is common. So in the bracket, you will have p minus 5. Now the p minus 5 bracket will be common. And the rest of the thing is as it is. And so you will have p minus 5 in one bracket and 2p plus 2 in another bracket. So here you have plus 2p divided by p minus 5. This is coming as it is. Okay. Now from there you can take the 2 common. So in the denominator you have 2 bracket p minus 5 bracket p plus 1 bracket close. So plus 2p divided by p minus 5. So if you want to make the denominator same, so here you have, so in this fraction, multiply upstairs downstairs with the 2 and the p plus 1. So here you can see we have multiply with the 2 and the p plus 1. So now the denominator is the same. So I can write a single fraction. So I write here a single fraction, 2 bracket p minus 5 bracket close bracket start p plus 1 bracket close. Upstairs I will have 1 plus 4 p bracket p plus 1. So you will have 1 plus 4p square plus 4p divided by 2 bracket p minus 5 bracket close bracket start p plus 1 bracket close. So that will be equals to 4p square plus 4p plus 1 and divided by 2 bracket p minus 5 bracket p plus 1. So this is how you will do this question. This is question number 5 and it's oh God. So this is question number 5 and its C part. The whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so That was the C part. Now we are going to the next part. The next part is question number 5, and it's D part. You have x divided by x plus 1 plus 4 divided by, and in the denominator I have x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared and minus 3x divided by x plus 2y. So this can be factorized. If you multiply the extreme term, you get 2x squared y squared. Write the pairs, the factors of the two, and there's only one factor. There's only one pair, which is 1 multiplied 2. By addition, I want 3, so both of them will be given a positive sign. And let me show you how this is done. Question number. Okay. So you can see here, these two are going as it is. Only we are playing with this. Okay, 4 divided by, I have done the midterm breaking here. So x square plus 2xy plus xy plus 2y square minus the rest of the things are same. This fraction, this fraction. So you will have x by x plus y and plus 4 divided by, in the denominator we have x bracket. From the first two terms, I can take x common. So in the bracket, I will have x plus 2y. From the last two terms, I will take plus y common, and in the bracket, you will have x plus 2y very close. This is coming same. Okay, so x by x plus y. I can take x plus 2y common, so you are left in the other bracket with the x plus y. So now you can see if you want to make the denominator same, so this should be multiplied with the x plus 2y upstairs, downstairs, and this should be multiplied with the x plus y upstairs and downstairs. Then they all will have the same denominator. So here you can see x bracket x plus 2y, and here you can see 3x bracket x plus 1. So the denominators are same, so I can write a single fraction here. And in that single fraction, I will write the denominator as x plus y in one bracket, and another bracket in which I will write x plus 2y. So here you will have x multiplied with this. So this will become x squared plus 2xy, and then just plus 4. And from here, this negative will change the sign. So you will have minus 3x squared minus 3xy. Now you can see you will have x squared minus 3x squared. That will be minus 2x squared plus 2xy and minus 3xy. You are left with the minus xy. Plus 4 will remain as plus 4. So divided by. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So my dear students, question number 5, it's D part. The whole question is showing up on your screen. And you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So that was the question number 5, it's D part. Now we are going to the question number 6, which is the last question of this exercise. And you can see it is 1 divided by 3x plus 2 divided by y. This is in the numerator, and in the denominator, I have again a fraction that is 2 divided by x. So let me show you how this is done. Okay, so this numerator I written inside the bracket, then this divide, and then this fraction. So here I can take the LCM. The LCM will be 3xy. So here you will have y plus 2 into 3x divided 2 by x. So this will become y plus 6x divided by 3xy. When you convert this divide sign into multiplication sign, this fraction will reciprocate. So it will become x by 2. Now this x and x will be gone. So you are left with the y plus 6x divided by 6. So this is how you will do this question. So this is question number 6. And I hope you can see the whole question. Yeah, now you can see the whole question number 6. And I hope you understand. So my dear students, so we have completed this exercise in this single video. So today we have completed the exercise 6B. We have completed the exercise 6B from the D2. And I have tried my best to explain you the concepts of this exercise. This exercise requires a lot of command over the factorization. So I hope you have practiced a lot on the chapter number 3, chapter 4, and the chapter number 5 of the D2. Once you have the command, then easily you can do these questions. If you find this video useful to you and interesting to you, and it has helped you, and it has made, if it has made your life easier, please like this video. Share the link of this video with your friends and family by posting the link of this video onto your Facebook and onto your Instagram and onto your Twitter accounts. That will help me promote my channel. That will be a great appreciation for me and for my work. Thank you very much, sir. Everyone, thank you very much. It's a great blessing for me to be able to teach throughout the world by this YouTube channel and help a lot of people, a lot of students. Thank you very much. It's a blessing for me. Have a good day, sir. God bless you all.